Hey everyone, I hope you're having a great day. It's Thomas here and welcome to iPhone for Seniors, a free YouTube series aimed at educating older adults about iPhones. Today we're going to be discussing the different iPhone options available for you in 2020, and at the end I will give my recommendation on which iPhone is probably right for you. So the first iPhone we're going to go over is called the iPhone SE, which was just recently released, and its pricing starts at $399 plus tax. It has a 4.7-inch screen and basically looks like my phone. It does have a fingerprint sensor, and it does have a good camera, and overall the device will run extremely well. It has a quite fast processor, so you won't have any lag and it will last you a long time. If you're looking for a slightly bigger option, you can look at the iPhone 11, which starts at $699 plus tax. The iPhone 11 has a 6.1-inch screen, which is slightly bigger than the iPhone SE by about an inch and a half. And it comes in 6 different colors actually: black, white, green, yellow, purple, and red. And this phone actually does have 2 cameras, and they're quite good quality, and it also has a good processor that will last you a long time. Now to look into the premium models of iPhones, there are 2 premium iPhone models called the iPhone 11 Pro and the iPhone 11 Pro Max. The iPhone 11 Pro starts at $999 plus tax. Again, it is a premium model and is going to be quite expensive. And the iPhone 11 Pro Max starts at $1,099. The main difference between the Pro and the Pro Max is going to be that the Pro Max has a slightly bigger display. The iPhone 11 Pro has a 5.8-inch screen, so slightly smaller than the iPhone 11, but slightly bigger than the iPhone SE. And the Pro Max has a 6.5-inch screen, which is actually quite large. Both of these devices have 3 cameras on the back, as well as multiple cameras on the front for facial recognition. And they come in 4 colors: green, gray, gold, and silver. So what is my recommendation on the best iPhone for you? I personally recommend, unless you really need a bigger device because you have vision problems or cannot see a device of this size, I recommend the iPhone SE. It was just recently released about a month ago as of the date I'm recording this video, and it has a very good processor, and overall for $399 you're getting really good hardware for that price. In addition, it fits easily into purses and into your pocket, and it does have a pretty good camera. So the iPhone SE should be fit to last you several years. If you do decide after watching this video that you want to purchase yourself an iPhone, then please do look in the description for links to buy different iPhones. And if you're still here and you'd like to see some more iPhone for Seniors videos, I'd like to ask you to please go down below and click the subscribe button and hit the bell right next to it to receive notifications. Okay, so we've discussed which iPhone you should buy. Now, how do you protect your iPhone? Well, Apple does actually offer their extended warranty, which is called the Apple Care Plus. It's basically a 2-year warranty that costs about $100 depending on your device model, and it covers up to 2 accidental damage claims. Basically, if I drop my phone and I break the screen or I break the phone completely, I can send it over to Apple and they'll fix it for a much cheaper price than if I didn't have the warranty. The link to purchase Apple Care Plus will also be in the description. And for those of you who might have a tough time clicking small buttons on your cell phone, I certainly do recommend that you buy a stylus. I personally recommend the stylus. I have also linked in the description. It comes with a pack of 10 different styluses for $8, so if you do lose a stylus, you have plenty left. And they're easy to see because they come in bright colors. And they also do have a little attachment on them, just like pens do, so that you can easily clip them to your shirt for easy transport. Alright guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do hit the like button, and I hope to see you in the next episode of iPhone for Seniors. I hope you have a great day. Bye.